Welcome to Simply Excel. In this quick tutorial, we're going to look at how to lock cells and sheets so they can't be changed without a password. For example, we might want to lock cells that contain formulas so that nobody else can delete or change them and create problems with the data. So if we just want to lock particular cells on a sheet, we do actually have to lock the sheet, but first of all we select the cells we want to lock. So I've selected my whole column that contains formulas, did that by starting at the top and then pressing Ctrl Shift and the down arrow to highlight all the data in that column. Now I've selected my column, I just right click anywhere in that column, select Format Cells and come to the Protection tab, and we tick the box that says Locked. We can also hide the formulas, and you'll see there's a little warning here that says locking cells or hiding formulas has no effect until you protect the worksheet itself. We're just going to look at how to do that. We come up to our Review tab and click the Protect Sheet button. So in here we can type a password, and that will be the password that we use to unprotect the sheet if we want to make changes to it. And then below the password box we've got all the options for actions we can allow other people to take without using the password. So we could, for example, say that we're happy with people formatting the data or adding data, but we don't want them to delete. But now we're just going to leave that on the default and press OK. But to re-enter the password that I just typed in, do take note of this warning. If you lose or forget the password, it can't be recovered. So do keep it somewhere safe, for example in a password safe. Press OK. We can see that these buttons have now changed to Unprotect Sheet and Protect Workbook. So that's how you can tell that this sheet is protected. And now if I attempt to change anything or delete one of these cells, so just hit delete, I get a warning saying that the cell is protected, and in order to make changes I need to unprotect the sheet. So that's the warning your other users will see. And we can also protect the whole workbook, which will stop people being able to add or delete sheets. If I protect this workbook, again pop the password in for that and repeat my password. Now if I try and add a new sheet, I can't because that's greyed out, and if I try and delete the existing sheet, the delete option is also greyed out. And then if I want to unprotect my workbook, I just click on Protect Workbook again, type my password in, and that removes the protection from it. So now all my options are available if I right click on that sheet, and I can add new sheet. And to unprotect my sheet, it's exactly the same. Just pop my password in, and that sheet's now unprotected, and I can delete data from it. I hope you found this quick tutorial on protecting cells and sheets useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.